The ruling party ZANU-PF on Thursday abruptly cancelled a highly anticipated Politburo meeting scheduled for Friday, May 2, 2025, a move that has heightened speculation over deepening internal divisions and confusion within the party's top leadership. Sandapena mashoko blachinsi awa muumbawe mtungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe masodamzo mnangagwa mwitika bongozozo patona kuti vanyatsoratidza kuti aiwa these guys havana kurongeka. Number one. Number two, they've exposed tensions ari mubato mavo nori subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pamzipo yemudwanyi pamuchinzi. In a text statement issued late Thursday, ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Muchango announced the cancellation, attributing the decision to instructions from Secretary General Obed Mpofu. In quotes, the Secretary General of ZANU-PF, Comrade Dr. Obed Mpofu, hereby advises all members of the postponement of the Politburo meeting announced for Friday, 2nd May 2025. The meeting will be held on a later date to be advised. No explanation was given at the time. However, it later emerged that the decision coincided with the sudden scheduling of the burial of a national hero, Air Vice Marshal Winnie Mundea, who passed away on Monday, April 28. The burial held on Friday at the National Heroes Acre caught many by surprise, not only for its timing, but for the speed at which preparations were made, effectively overriding what had been billed as a key Politburo session. Mandela, a respected Liberation War veteran and a long-serving military officer, had only been declared a national hero on Wednesday evening. Government sources say a burial date was not initially fixed for Friday, raising questions about whether the event was used as a pretext to cancel the high-stakes Politburo gathering. The sudden cancellation has fueled rumors of serious being behind the scenes wrangling within the party. With no clear explanation provided, insiders suspect the meeting was shelved due to unresolved tensions over critical issues, including succession dynamics, power consolidations, and the realignments within the Central Committee and the Politburo. Sources anticipated heated discussions over recent electoral performance critics, growing grassroots dissatisfaction, and the President Mnangagwa's reported succession plans. The postponement, coupled with the rushed burial of Mndeya, has led some political analysts to conclude that the party may be struggling to maintain internal cohesion amid rising factionalism. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panapa unyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa kuviga kwakaitwa Mndeya kwakusitombo planned. Panapa kwabva kuexposa kuti aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino all is not well. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudipa musoro pechitwe chimunako section medu. Subscribe or like and on the bell.